friends, welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Sweet corn cooked in creamy coconut milk with tapioca pearls topped with coconut milk cream is a perfect dessert for any occasion, and it's so delicious you can't stop with one serving. The ingredients are sweet corn, tapioca pearls, corn flour, thick coconut milk, sugar. Let's wash and soak the tapioca pearls for 15 minutes in enough water. Add half a cup of corn kernel to a blender. Add 1/3 cup of water and blend into a smooth paste. Add ground corn paste to a pan. Add sugar, coconut milk, remaining half a cup of corn kernels. Mix well. Bring it to a boil on low heat. Once it comes to a boil, turn off and set it aside. Set another pan to boil soaked tapioca pearls. Add more water if required. Boil on low heat. Drain boiled tapioca pearls. Rinse with ice-cold water. Rinsing cooked tapioca pearls will remove the stickiness from the tapioca pearls. Add the cooked tapioca pearls to the sweet corn coconut milk mixture and set it aside. To prepare coconut cream, add coconut milk to a pan. Bring it to a boil. Mix corn flour and water. Pour onto boiling coconut milk and stir continuously. You can add sugar to the coconut cream if you would like to, but we are not adding sugar. Turn off the flame and mix well without any lumps, and the cream should look light and creamy. Pour pudding into a serving dish. Garnish with coconut cream, mint, and cherry. This sweet corn pudding can be served as hot or cold, however you like to serve it. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye!